In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. Let's start right at the source, sign into your Odoo account, and head to the CRM module. This is your command center for managing prospects, tracking conversations, and keeping deals moving. Once inside, go to the leads section. This is where all your potential customers live before they become formal opportunities. Think of it as your inbox for new interest, clean, simple, and easy to scan. If you need to add a new lead, click Create. Enter the customer's details such as company contact information and a short description of their need or interest, then save. The more accurate your input, the better your pipeline insights will be later. It's a good habit to note the source of the lead and any relevant tags so you can slice your pipeline more effectively in reports. You'll typically manage your leads in the Kanban view, which shows cards grouped by stage. To reflect progress, simply drag a lead from new to qualified to proposal and finally to won. This visual workflow makes it clear what needs attention and where bottlenecks might be forming. Move leads only when they truly meet the criteria for that stage to keep your pipeline realistic and trustworthy. Click into any lead to work it. Here you can add internal notes to capture context, schedule activities like calls or meetings, log conversations, and send emails directly. Keeping activities scheduled means nothing slips through the cracks, and logging calls creates a reliable history that anyone on the team can reference. If you use email templates, this is a great place to keep your outreach consistent and professional. When a lead becomes serious, track it in the opportunities section. Opportunities are more advanced than leads, letting you forecast expected revenue, set closing dates, and manage more structured sales steps. This view gives sales teams a clearer picture of what's likely to close and when. To understand performance, spend time in dashboards and reports, review conversion rates to see how effectively leads become opportunities and wins, check team activity to monitor follow-ups, and look at sales performance by time period to spot trends. Even simple filters like by salesperson, stage, or source can reveal where to focus your efforts. Finally, integrate CRM with other Odoo modules for end-to-end tracking. Connect with sales to generate quotations, with invoicing to manage billing after a deal is won, and with marketing to nurture leads and automate follow-ups. This creates a seamless flow from first contact to revenue, all inside one platform. That's the core workflow. Keep your data clean, move deals deliberately, and let the tools show you where to act next.